What do you need to remember before filing?
Samantha Mahoney, the owner of Wildcat Tax Service, is here with some tips to help you better prepare. We do thank you very much for coming in today.
Thank you for having me.
We appreciate it. So let's start with the changes in health care, with the Affordable Care Act, Obamacare that is now in full force.
Right.
How will that affect tax returns this year?
Well, the main thing with the new health care laws is that everyone in 2014 was required to have health coverage. And if you did not, you needed to have some type of hardship or exemption that would exempt you from meeting those requirements. Also, if you did not have one of those exemptions and you did not have health care coverage, you could possibly face a penalty on your taxes. So the biggest piece of advice I have there is to get with your accountant or tax preparer as soon as possible, because there may be some things that you need to do to prepare for filing your taxes regarding health care.
All right, so certainly not a time that you want to wait until the very last minute to get everything
not at
done.
all.
What are, when you see people coming in, what are some of the most commonly missed things on tax returns?
One thing that I see a lot of has to do with dependent children that work jobs. A lot of parents think that just because their child works a job, they can't file their own tax return and still be a dependent on the parent's return. So that's one thing that I look for when new clients come in, is just to see, does your child work a job where taxes withheld from that child's paycheck, and that child can also file a return to possibly get that money back, and the parent can still claim the child and reap the benefits of having them as a dependent.
Is there anything specific to Kentucky tax returns that people ought to be at least keeping in the back of their mind?
Yes, married couples, for example, there's a status called married filing separate on this combined return. And what that does is it lowers your tax a lot lower than what the married filing joint or married filing separate filing status does in Kentucky. So that's something to also look into, to make sure that if you're a married couple and you both have income on the return, to look and make sure that you're using that filing status.
You certainly want to make the right decisions that way. You have a grand opening coming up. Tell us about that.
Yes, I do. January 17th from 10 to 5 at our office, 366 Waller Avenue. We're going to have free food there for everyone. We're doing a lot of giveaways, and it should be a good time, so we invite everyone to come on out.
All right, getting ready to roll into tax season.
Yeah.
You'll be busy here for a few weeks.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.